Yo, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Hit the Button. So this is the 5th time I'm talking in my videos. Anyway, I remember in that other video I did before was Division Facts. I did Division 10 and I scored 15 out of 15. So today we're going to do number bonds. So when we do number bonds, we're going to click on here. This is the button. We've got number bonds, doubles, halves, times tables, division facts, and square numbers. Square numbers is the next video I'm going to do. So you'll see that video in there. Anyway, let's click number bonds. So you see we've got this here. So we're gonna do number bonds today, and we're gonna press make 10. So we're gonna click on this, and I'm not gonna read this. We're just gonna play it. So 2 is 8, 1 is 9, 7 is 4. Oh, not 4. 7 is 3, 6 is 4 maybe. 10 is 0. 6 is 4. 4 is 6. 5 is 5. 7 is 3. Oh no, 4. Wait a minute. Is that? Oh, that's 3. Sorry, I just got my numbers confused then. So 10 is 0. 8 is 2. 10. 8. 6. 2. Your time is up. You scored 15 out of 18. Well done. So if you think 15 out of 18 is a high score, let me know in the comments. Yeah. By the way, if you are a fan of my channel, then I consider you subscribe to my channel. And also another thing, thank you for all of you that support my channel. Anyway, I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and like comment on my other videos. I know I do say this in all the other videos, but anyway. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end the video there. So, I mean, like, I hope you like this video. Click the like button if you like it. And yeah, so goodbye everyone. Bye.